You're the manager of a manufacturing company. You know how critical it is to keep an eye on operational details, parts inventory, maintaining accurate bill of materials, tracking production schedules, along with a ton of other information that keeps your business running smoothly. You may use a whiteboard, a bundle of spreadsheets, or even a stack of handwritten notes to record all of this information. A better way is Off the Shelf. Off the Shelf is an easy-to-use, powerful online tool that can streamline your entire production workflow. Off the Shelf clarifies your production processes, helps to develop efficiencies in your scheduling, and delivers insights into your bottom line. With Off the Shelf, you can create a product catalog, store a bill of materials for each product, and instantly see your profit margin. Maintain accurate part counts with a transaction audit trail. Track sales orders and projected production time, along with promised delivery dates. Compile a list of production needs and purchase orders across all sales orders. Automatically serialize and track each product shipped. Create reports from historical data to assist in forecasting and business decisions, and much, much more. With Off the Shelf, you and your team have visibility on every step of operation and can prioritize tasks and never get caught short on the parts needed to fulfill an order. All of Off the Shelf's features and modules are available to your entire team for a flat $100 per month. There are no tiers. All the features are baked in from the ground up. Invite your employees. There's no additional cost. And because Off the Shelf is a cloud-based software platform hosted on a secure server, an internet connection is all you and your team need to get connected. No complicated setup or infrastructure is required. Simply log in from any phone, tablet, or computer and get to work, no matter where you are. Sign up now for a free trial. Get building and get your company off the shelf.